That's too short. Now, exactly what Anil Sahil was talking about. Ball too short, and also the width was there.
Shot. What a shot. Effortless. So pleasing to watch.
Niall O'Brien looking in really good touch. What a straight bat that is. Just to use the cliche, the cricketing cliche.
Yeah.
That's 4. Too short.
Well, that's clever batting for me. First 2 deliveries, which were bowled by Mohammad Hafiz, looked to come down to the track, force the bowler to vary his length, and on that occasion didn't come out of the crease, just held back, rocked onto the back foot, and bang, 4.
That's a good shot. That's 4 more. Not worried about hitting against the so-called spin either.
He knows scoring runs against the medium pace bowler is not going to be easy.
Bigger one, I think it's the leg by. He's raising his bat. And yes, it's a run. 50 to Bryan. Magnificent innings under pressure. How well he's played. That's into the gap. Classy cut shot. Umar goes short and wide, and O'Brien has played a delightful shot.
Tremendous shot. This has been a class innings by Niall O'Brien, a really class innings. What a shot, what a shot. A bold shot by Niall O'Brien. This is a fantastic innings by the left-hander.
Likes driving the ball. That's the right length, and he's taken it. What a start for the Irish team. Wicket in the first over.
But this one bunks as well. Is that out? Yes. Brother takes a catch off brother. So another wicket for Ireland.